Hello students, how are you all? Okay, today we will do subtraction 1 to 10, that is chapter number 3 in maths subject. Okay, and this is the sign of subtraction, this is the sign of minus. When we do subtraction sums, we put this minus sign. What does subtraction means? Subtraction means when something is taken away from us. Suppose we are having 2 pencils and one I give it to my friend. The remaining pencil will be 1. So 1 pencil is taken away from me. This concept is known as subtraction. Now have a look on this. Here are 5 sweets. I have drawn 5 sweets here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here I have drawn 5 sweets. 3 are taken away from me. 3 are taken away, so I will cross 3 candies. 1, 2 and 3. And remaining candies with me. How many are left with me? 1 and 2. Only 2 sweets are left with me. So I will write here 2 and we'll make a box. So we can write this in this manner. 5, because I was having 5 sweets, I will write 5 first. Then I will put the sign of minus. As I told you before, when we do subtraction, we have to put the sign of minus. After that, how many are taken away from me? 3. So I will write 3 here. I will put a equal to sign. This is the sign of equals to. When we write the answer, we have to put the sign of equals to. 5 and 3 are taken away from me. Remaining candies 1 and 2. I will write here answer. 2 are remaining with me. Let's do now exercise 1. Ali bought 6 ice creams. Ali ने कितने ice creams लाए? 6. Ali ने 6 ice creams लाए. 2 melted. Among those 6 ice creams, 2 ice creams were melted. Now how many ice creams are left with Ali? See, which 2 are melted, I will cut that ice cream. As here 2 are melted, I will cut 2 ice cream. 1 and 2. Why I cut 2 ice creams? Because here number is given. 2 are melted, so I have cut 2 ice creams. Remaining ice creams are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 ice creams are remaining. How to write? First of all, how many are left? Tell me how many are left. As I cut here 2 ice cream which are melted. How many are remaining now? 1, 2, 3 and 4 ice cream. Here I will write 4 and we'll make a box. Okay, and another manner how to write is, see, first of all Ali was having 6 ice creams, so I will write 6 here. Then I will put a sign of minus. As I told you, when we do subtraction, we have to put the sign of minus. Then how many melted? 2. 6 minus 2. We'll put the sign of equals to. And then I will write the answer. As I told, we have to write the answer after equals to sign. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 are remaining with him. Now let's do sum number 2. There were 7 apples on a tree. There were how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 apples on a tree. Maya picked 2. Maya ने 2 ले लिए. This 1 and 2. Maya picked it. Now how many apples are left on a tree? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 apples are left on a tree. How to write? First, how many are left? I will make a box and will write the answer in it. After taking 2 apples by Maya, how many apples are remaining? 5. So I will write 5 in the box. And another method of writing this sum will be, here Maya was having 7 apples were on the tree. I will write 7 first of all. Then Maya picked 2 apples. So I will write here, I will put a sign of minus first of all and will write 2 after that. 7 minus 2, how much? 5. I will put a sign of equals to and will write the answer after that. See, I am teaching you one more method of doing this. Here same as I explained you in addition, here also we will apply the same method. We will not make the balls and anything. We will use our brain and the fingers. Here 7 digit is given first of all and the 7 is greater. So I will keep 7 in my mind and will show 2 in the fingers. And in subtraction we count before, as in addition we count after. In subtraction we count before. Now 7 before, the number which you kept in the mind, I kept 7 here as 7 is given. So I kept 7 in my mind. And as 2 are picked by Maya, so I will show 2 in my fingers. Now I will count before. Before 7 I will count. Before 7, 6, 5. So 5 is the answer. Now sum number 3. There were 7 flowers. कितने flowers थे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There were 7 flowers. A goat ate 1. Goat ने एक खा लिया. So I will cut 1 flower because it is taken away. I will cut 1 flower. Remaining flowers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 flowers are remaining. But how to write this? First of all, I will write how many are left. We'll put the sign of question mark. When a question is asked, we have to put a sign of question mark. I will make a box. So, how many are left now? After a goat ate 1 flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, I will write 6 here in the box. Another way of writing this. See, there were 7 flowers. So, first of all, I will write 7. Then I will put a sign of minus. A goat ate 1. Goat ne ek kha liya. Then I will write here 1. Then put a sign of equals to. Again, here keep 7 in your mind as 7 is greater number. Fix 7 in your mind and show smaller number that is 1 in your finger. Count before 7. In subtraction, we have to count before. Keep this in your mind as well. So, 7 before 6. So, 6 flowers are remaining now. 6 flowers are left now. 6 will be the answer. Now, let's do exercise 2. Put cross mark on the things you take away. जो चीजें हम निकाल रहे हैं, we have to put a cross mark there. As see, here 6 is given. Here 6 is given and here 6 fishes are drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 is written. After that, it is given minus sign. Sign of minus is given. And after the sign of minus, which digit is written? 4. That means the number which is written after a sign of minus, that much things are taken away from that. See here, 4 number is written, so 4 fishes are taken away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will cut 4 fishes. Remaining number of fishes 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So 2 fishes are remaining, that I will write after equals to sign. You can also do this method as well. Keep 6 in your mind as 6 is greater number. Show 4 in your fingers and count before 6. 6 से पहले count करना. What comes before 6? 5. 5, 4, 3, 2. 2 will be the answer. I already written there. Here, come on, second number. Number 7 is written here. 7 digit is written and 7 umbrellas are drawn here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After that a sign of minus is written and after that number 3 is written. So 3 umbrellas are taken. I will cut 3. 1, 2, 3. The number which is written on second place, that is taken away. So we will cut that much. Remaining numbers of umbrella 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 4 umbrellas are remaining. Again you can apply this method as well. Keep 7 in your mind. As 7 is written here, keep greater number in your mind, that is 7. And after that 3 is written, show 3 in your fingers. Count before 7. 6, 5, 4. 4 is the answer. Sum number 3. I have drawn here 4 leaves as 4 is written here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many I have to cut? This second place number will decide. Here 2 is written, so I will cut 2 leaves. 1 and 2. How many leaves are remaining now? 1 and 2. So I will write here 2. Another method of doing this sum, keep 4 in your mind and show 2 in your fingers. Count before 4. 4 से पहले count करो. That will be 3, 2. 2 I have written here. Now number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ice creams I have drawn here as number 6 is written down below. How many I have to cut? 3 ice creams I have to cut. 1, 2, 3. That means 3 are taken away from me. Remaining ice creams 1, 2 and 3. So 3 ice creams are remaining. Again same thing. Keep 6 in your mind. Show 3 in your fingers. Count before 6 now. In subtraction, what we do? We count before. Count before 6. 5, 4, 3. 3 is the answer that I have written here. So that's all for today. Please do this practice of these sums. Thank you. Have a nice day and take care.